हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल आस्क इंग्लिश। लास्ट वीडियो में हमने सीखा था प्रेजेंट टेंस से रिलेटेड कन्वर्सेशन, जिसमें हमने सीखा था हाउ टू आस्क क्वेश्चन एंड हाउ टू रिप्लाई इट। एंड आज के वीडियो में हम सीखेंगे पास्ट टेंस से रिलेटेड कन्वर्सेशन, जहां हमने बारी बारी से पास्ट सिंपल टेंस, पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस, पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस एंड पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस को कवर किया है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। आपने कल क्या किया? What did you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday? मैं पार्क में गया। I went to the park. I went to the park. क्या आपने फिल्म देखी? Did you see the movie? Did you see the movie? हाँ, मैंने कल रात फिल्म देखी। Yes, I saw the movie last night. Yes, I saw the movie last night. आपने कब यहाँ स्थानांतरित किया था? When did you move here? When did you move here? मैं 2 साल पहले यहाँ आया था। I moved here 2 years ago. I moved here 2 years ago. वे छुट्टियों पर कहाँ गए थे? Where did they go on vacation? Where did they go on vacation? वे शिमला गए थे। They went to Simla. They went to Simla. आपने अपना सप्ताहांत कैसा बिताया? How did you spend your weekend? How did you spend your weekend? मैंने अपना सप्ताहांत घर पर आराम करते हुए बिताया। I spent my weekend relaxing at home. I spent my weekend relaxing at home. आप पार्टी में किससे मिले? Who did you meet at the party? Who did you meet at the party? मैं बहुत सारे नए लोगों से मिला। I met a lot of new people. I met a lot of new people. क्या उसने तुम्हें फ़ोन किया? Did she call you? Did she call you? हाँ, उसने मुझे कल रात फ़ोन किया था। Yes, she called me last night. Yes, she called me last night. आपने दोपहर के भोजन में क्या खाया? What did you have for lunch? What did you have for lunch? मैंने दोपहर के भोजन के लिए एक सैंडविच खाया। I had a sandwich for lunch. I had a sandwich for lunch. आप लंदन में कितने समय तक रहे? How long did you stay in London? How long did you stay in London? मैं 1 सप्ताह तक लंदन में रहा। I stayed in London for a week. I stayed in London for a week. क्या आपने संगीत कार्यक्रम का आनंद लिया? Did you enjoy the concert? Did you enjoy the concert? हाँ, मैंने इसका भरपूर आनंद लिया। Yes, I enjoyed it very much. Yes, I enjoyed it very much. Past continuous tense. आप रात 8 बजे क्या कर रहे थे? What were you doing at 8 p.m? What were you doing at 8 p.m? मैं रात के 8 बजे टीवी देख रहा था। I was watching TV at 8 p.m. I was watching TV at 8 p.m. जब मैंने फ़ोन किया तो क्या तुम सो रहे थे? Were you sleeping when I called? Were you sleeping when I called? हाँ, मैं सो रहा था। Yes, I was sleeping. Yes, I was sleeping. उसने पार्टी में क्या पहना था? What was she wearing at the party? What was she wearing at the party? उन्होंने नीले रंग की ड्रेस पहनी हुई थी। She was wearing a blue dress. She was wearing a blue dress. वे किस बारे में बात कर रहे थे? What were they talking about? What were they talking about? वे अपनी नई नौकरी के बारे में बात कर रहे थे। They were talking about their new job. They were talking about their new job. जब आप पहुंचे तो क्या बारिश हो रही थी? Was it raining when you arrived? Was it raining when you arrived? हाँ, जब मैं पहुंचा तो बारिश हो रही थी. Yes, it was raining when I arrived. Yes, it was raining when I arrived. वह उस समय क्या कर रहा था? What was he doing at the time? What was he doing at the time? वह एक किताब पढ़ रहा था. He was reading a book. He was reading a book. क्या आप संगीत सुन रहे थे? Were you listening to music? Were you listening to music? हाँ, मैं संगीत सुन रहा था. Yes, I was listening to music. Yes, I was listening to music. वह क्या कर रही थी? What was she saying? What was she saying? वह कह रही थी कि उन्हें फिल्म पसंद आई. She was saying that she liked the movie. She was saying that she liked the movie. क्या वे क्रिकेट खेल रहे थे? Were they playing cricket? Were they playing cricket? हाँ, जब मैं पहुंचा तो वे क्रिकेट खेल रहे थे. Yes, they were playing cricket when I arrived. Yes, they were playing cricket when I arrived. क्या वह रात का खाना बना रही थी? Was she cooking dinner? Was she cooking dinner? हाँ, वह रात का खाना बना रही थी. Yes, she was cooking dinner. Yes, she was cooking dinner. Now, past perfect tense. क्या तुमने आने से पहले खाना खाया है? Have you eaten before you come? Have you eaten before you come? हाँ, मैंने आने से पहले खाना खा लिया था. Yes, I had eaten before I came. Yes, I had eaten before I came. मीटिंग से पहले आप कहाँ गए थे? Where had you gone before the meeting? Where had you gone before the meeting? मैं कॉफ़ी शॉप गया था. I had gone to the coffee shop. I had gone to the coffee shop. क्या वह आपके आने से पहले ही चली गई थी? Had she left before you arrived? Had she left before you arrived? हाँ, मेरे आने से पहले ही वह चली गई थी. Yes, she had left before I arrived. Yes, she had left before I arrived. आपने काम से पहले क्या किया था? What had you done before work? What had you done before work? मैं काम से पहले दौड़ने गया था. I had gone for a run before work. I had gone for a run before work. क्या उन्होंने पहले फिल्म देखी थी? Had they seen the movie before? Had they seen the movie before? नहीं, उन्होंने पहले यह फिल्म नहीं देखी थी. No, they hadn't seen the movie before. No, they hadn't seen the movie before. वह यहाँ कितने समय से रह रही थी? How long had she lived here? How long had she lived here? वह यहाँ 10 साल से रह रही थी. She had lived here for 10 years. She had lived here for 10 years. उसने आपसे क्या कहा था? What had he said to you? What had he said to you? उन्होंने मुझे जॉब ऑफर के बारे में बताया था. He had told me about the job offer. He had told me about the job offer. क्या आपके जाने से पहले बारिश हुई थी? Had it rained before you left? Had it rained before you left? हाँ, मेरे जाने से पहले बारिश हुई थी. Yes, it had rained before I left. Yes, it had rained before I left. क्या उसने अपना होमवर्क पूरा कर लिया था? Had she finished her homework? Had she finished her homework? हाँ, उसने अपना होमवर्क पूरा कर लिया था. Yes, she had finished her homework. Yes, she had finished her homework. रात के खाने से पहले आपने क्या किया था? What had you done before dinner? What had you done before dinner? मैंने रात के खाने से पहले अपना होमवर्क कर लिया था. I had done my homework before dinner. I had done my homework before dinner. Now, past perfect continuous tense. आप कब से इंतजार कर रहे थे? How long had you been waiting? हाउ लॉन्ग हैड यू बीन वेटिंग? मैं 20 मिनट से इंतज़ार कर रहा था। आई हैड बीन वेटिंग फॉर 20 मिनट्स। आई हैड बीन वेटिंग फॉर 20 मिनट्स। दोपहर के भोजन से पहले वह क्या कर रही थी? What had she been doing before lunch? What had she been doing before lunch? वह दोपहर के भोजन से पहले पढ़ रही थी। She had been studying before lunch. She had been studying before lunch. क्या वे लंबे समय से इस प्रोजेक्ट पर काम कर रहे थे? Had they been working on the project for long? Had they been working on the project for long? हाँ, वे 1 महीने से इस प्रोजेक्ट पर काम कर रहे थे। Yes, they had been working on the project for a month. Yes, they had been working on the project for a month. आप पहले कहाँ रहते थे? Where had you been living before? Where had you been living before? मैं कनाडा में रह रहा था। I had been living in Canada. I had been living in Canada. कितनी देर से बारिश हो रही थी? How long had it been raining? How long had it been raining? 3 घंटे से बारिश हो रही थी। It had been raining for 3 hours. It had been raining for 3 hours. क्या वह लंबी यात्रा कर रहा था? Had he been traveling long? हाँ, वह 2 दिनों से यात्रा कर रहा था। Yes, he had been traveling for 2 days. Yes, he had been traveling for 2 days. आप पार्टी से पहले क्या कर रहे थे? What had you been doing before the party? What had you been doing before the party? मैं तैयार हो रहा था। I had been getting ready. I had been getting ready. वह कितने समय से बीमार महसूस कर रही थी? How long had she been feeling sick? How long had she been feeling sick? वह 1 सप्ताह से बीमार महसूस कर रही थी। She had been feeling sick for a week. She had been feeling sick for a week. क्या वे लंबे समय से अभ्यास कर रहे थे? Had they been practicing long? Had they been practicing long? हाँ, वे घंटों से अभ्यास कर रहे थे। Yes, they had been practicing for hours. Yes, they had been practicing for hours. आप इस प्रोजेक्ट पर कितने समय से काम कर रहे थे? How long had you been working on the project? How long had you been working on the project? मैं इस पर 1 सप्ताह से काम कर रहा था। I had been working on it for a week. I had been working on it for a week. Thanks for watching Ask English. And don't forget, like, share and subscribe.